See, do you know something? I think it's time for me to address this issue. And I've been able to absorb, control myself, and kept myself calm. And I think I can be any be AJ Hinglakononi is now. I have to respond. What am I trying to say? See, some of you don't forget that we are all Ghanaians and we are in Ghana, born Mishi. The fact that you are an Akan, I'm a Ghana, someone is an Ewe, and someone too is an Izima or Dagomba, coming from different tribes. We all live in Ghana, and it's time for us to live together. It's time for us to live together and learn more about the cultures of other people. But we guys are fools, or we don't know our left and right. Come on, let me tell you guys. The fact that we are loving people, we love you guys, we've blend with you, we even know more of your culture. We even know more of your culture than you people know of our culture. But you've promoted your language. Mainly, the fact that we want to promote your language, let's try people should be insulting us and then say all sorts of things to us and then yesterday I saw someone comment under a video saying that the Ghana self, when we learn like Keme Kasie in Makea, Ghana share international. But let me tell you this, have you forgotten that aside we the Ghana people have to preserve our language and keep it so that the next generation coming will also learn it. Research shows that for every capital, the span of I think 10 years, the native there, their language keep decreasing. So imagine we don't promote it. By 10, 50, 100, 80 years to come or something, Ghana, by large crowd to the extent that we won't even get people who speak Ghana in the greater Accra region. So what is wrong with you people if we want to promote our language? If you can't learn it by force, you come here and attack us and then insult us. Fine, if you don't want it, go away. Simple. Don't say anything bad about us. Okay? You know you can't learn the language. Go away. But you people are so, excuse me to use my language, to use this word, you people are so foolish to the extent, okay? When you leave Accra or leave Ghana and go to China or you go to Turkey, you go to Russia or other countries, you learn their language and you are proud, okay? You even boast, okay, oh, me, I went to China, I was able to learn their language. Even students who get scholarship or people who go to school in China, the first thing they do is they learn the Chinese language before they are able to do the course that they want. So what is wrong with it? But when you go there and you learn all those things, you finish school or you live there, make money, start business. When you come back home, you are proud to boast. Okay, oh, in China made me. Today, the person I am today, it is China who made me. In China, I was able to make it, the business, and you praise them. So what is wrong with it if you have come to Accra and you've made it in Accra? You are able to live good life in Accra. What is wrong with it? If you say it, oh, in Bagani, in life, but feel okay. Look at all the musicians. Go and listen to what Familia said about Accra. A lot of people have come to Accra, they've made it. So if you people have come here and made it, we are promoting our own language and you people are there insulting us. What kind of foolishness is that? This nonsense must stop. We don't hate anybody. If we hate anybody, do you think we would have accepted people to Accra? Do you think even our great grandfathers would have accepted boy to this land? No. And it is not our fault, okay? Afi Accra, the greater, the capital of Ghana. It is not our fault. We didn't choose it. So it is just like a blessing that we've gotten, and we are sharing with all of you. Everybody is enjoying this blessing soon. We are not taking the privilege from you. So what is wrong with us? What is wrong with you people? If we are asking that we want to promote our own language, we are not saying that you don't like your language, or see how many Ghanaians speak Twi. I can bet you the number of people who speak Ghana, the number of Ghanaians who speak Twi, I can compare the number of accounts who speak Ghana. It's less. If someone loves you, they want to be part of you. They want to learn your language. Do you get it? And language is one of the things that help us to unite. Language there, the person sees you part of them. The person is able to extend some kind of love to you. Language break barriers. And me, from 1904, I've advocated as a Ghanaian, you need to learn more than one language. So what is wrong with it? Can't you learn the Ghana language? We are not forcing you, but don't come here and insult us, and don't come here and be saying all sorts of things to us. You see, me, if I have my own way, capital, they should take it. Because and the most foolish things that people do. All these people on social media insulting and saying all sorts of things. I bet you they have friends that are Ghans. They have in-laws, whatever. They have relatives that are also Ghans. Relatives could marry into Ghana families. The same way we have the same people. We have people also who have friends that are Airways, Northerners, whatever. So what you know, as Game tree maker, but yesterday we come here and then insult the whole tribe. What are you doing to that your friend? What are you doing to that your friend that you call as a friend who is a Gan, but you are an Akan and you have a friend who is a Gan? Maybe you could even happen that your best friend or girlfriend or date is a Gan, but yesterday you come here and insult Gans. What are you doing to the lady? If me, I'm the lady cry, I'll leave you, because you can't say, okay, oh, date me. Nibo, I can't, you date me. Then you come to social media and start insulting my tribe. Let's love ourselves. Let's embrace ourselves. Let's unite as one people. Let's love and then, learn the cultures of other people. See, Blofome back bla o mi ahun. Blofome, I make divide wow. Me did you never drama can you baba together? Come on, ajawo me. Come on, I have no one now is different. But meanwhile, come on, see my body. Black, call for a laba. Ghana, you Jimmy in your Ghana. In come on, body cannot fear no. But Blofome back jawo me. And Bianegami Nile share. We can't even reason we should see ourselves as one people, and yesterday we'll be on social media making some sort of utterances and then insults. Me, see, I'm ready. If you are a man, meet me one-on-one and say the things that you see on social media in front of me. No bad nake, for me a choco. Oba nake, inform here ke ya angwe. Born it's too much. It's too much. Come on, you know what the airport we are promoting our language. We are promoting our culture. But people were in the comment section, then you people, you have a long way to go. And what kind of this? What kind of life is this? Come on, someone what jeke chonye. Come on, beni what coming? Kebabie, what can you hishi? What hanya was spoon? What hanya rent? Near rent, like imagine we didn't accept people coming to Accra. How would you be? Sometimes I wonder and I ask myself, okay, I imagine Accra belongs to Akans and we were at the other side. Square nibi number come on, nibi number it will be the opposite. Sometimes I don't want to talk, but sometimes they push you to the extent that you have to voice out. But in advice, no matter what, let's forget about the energy, the bad energy people are bringing to us. We have a positive energy. Let's carry on the positive energy and ignore any bad energy and be focused on what we want to do. My name is Nia Yeke Ganibi. Bye bye.